I'm no stranger to having wallet companies send me their wallets so that I can show them to you and you can be impressed by them. But occasionally a wallet comes along that makes a pretty bold claim, and that is Akeeni. This is, according to them, the last wallet you'll ever need. I'm gonna test this theory by doing an unboxing. We're gonna check out everything this wallet has to offer. I'm gonna use it for a couple of days, and then I'm gonna let you know what I think about it. For that, stick around. All right, so let's take a closer look at the Xsto wallet. First of all, this wallet is designed differently and more minimalistically than just about any wallet I've reviewed or seen to this point. This is all there is to it, and at first glance, you might think, well, is there something missing or what? But there's actually a lot of really cool engineering behind this, and they've made it as simplistic and yet very functional as possible. The first thing is obviously, where do you fit the cards? And the cards actually fit in these tracks right here, and I'm gonna show you. So I have 4 cards, and the top one is my beloved Chase Sapphire Preferred Visa, which I highly recommend, link in the description below. But the cards fit in there like that, and I don't know if you heard that, but there's a little click once they get into place. See that? And once they're in place, they just kind of stay put. You can shake it, you know, you can do whatever you want, but those cards are gonna stay put. And then when you need to sort between the different cards, you can, and I'm not gonna go much further for obvious reasons, but you can easily sort between the cards like that. Now on this side, you have this little slot that comes out, and this is a great place where you can put a business card, like this one that I got from Akeeni. So if you have business cards, you wanna store them, you can put them right there, and then this piece goes back over and it works just like that. So it covers up the business cards if you want to do it that way. You also can put additional credit cards in there if you want, just like that. And then you can put this over if you want to keep everything nice and snug. So at that point, I've got a credit card on the top part, and I've got 4 cards in here. And then additionally, inside here, between your cards and the inside of the wallet, you can easily put dollar bills, y'all. And those can go right inside there, and the wallet keeps it nice and snug, and this little lip on this side and this little lip on this side keep your dollars nice and snug. There's also a little slot right there. If you want to connect a lanyard to it, you can do that. But otherwise, that is basically it. There's lots of different things that you can stow in it, keeps it nice and safe, and it's easy to sort through your cards when you need them. I definitely recommend the Xsto. It's a very unique take on minimalist card sleeve wallets, and I think I really like what they've done here. Links are in the description below. Love to hear what you think about it.